Hi guys, I will show how to add additional clock in Windows 10. So if we left click on the date and time, it will show up the current time zone, time and date. If you want to add here additional clock, we need to go to settings, so right click on date and time and go to adjust date and time, or we can just press start and type date and time. If we click on that, it will show up the same panel for the date and time settings. Here we can see that our current time zone is Central US time, and we want to add additional clock for different time zones. So just click on that link. It will show the pop-up for additional clocks, and let's say we work in different time zones. For example, we invest in stocks and we want to show, let's say, the London time, so we can name also this, and we can specify here up to 2 additional clocks. So let's do it. For example, second one will be Tokyo, and just hit apply button. OK, and close that panel. Now we can click on that and we see additional clocks for different time zones. It could be very helpful. If we hover over date and time, it will show also the same information. I think it helps you, and thanks for watching.